Hello everyone, welcome back to a new tutorial video on how to change profile picture in Zoom. Before starting this video, please make sure to subscribe and do press the notification bell icon to get updated. So let's get this video started. First of all, you need to tap in Open Zoom application. Then get logged into your account by providing correct account credential, that is your Zoom login ID and password. At the home page of Zoom, you need to tap on Settings option on bottom of the right corner. Here you need to tap on your profile name. Inside your profile, you need to tap on your profile photo. There you can change your profile photo by taking a recent picture, or you also can choose a photo from your phone gallery. As I am going to choose a photo, you tap and choose photo. Now you go in for choosing any of the picture that you want to set as your profile picture in Zoom. Here you can crop your picture at what portion of the picture you want to upload. Then you tap and done. As you can see, my profile picture has been changed. This is how you can change your profile picture on Zoom. Hope this video is fruitful for you all on how to change profile picture on Zoom. Thank you.